People say, just switch to Linux. That's risky. Here's how to try Linux safely. No install, no wipe drives, nothing permanent. And if you don't like it, Windows stays exactly as it is. What you'll need to get this working? 3 things. Number 1, a USB stick with at least 32 gig. If you don't already have one, I've got a link in the description below. Number 2, a Linux ISO file, which will download from the website on screen. Number 3, a free tool called Rufus, and to put that file onto the USB stick, then we can try it. So first things first, go to linuxmint.com, click on download, scroll down, download again, tells you the size is 2.9 gig. You can either download it via torrent if you've got that option, or scroll down to the bottom here. And you can choose a mirror site that's close to you. So I'm just going to choose the top one. And it starts the download process. I'll skip this for you so we can get to the next step. Next thing we need to download is Rufus. This is a tool that puts this file we've downloaded straight onto the stick so we can try it. So best thing to do is open up a new tab, type in rufus.ie and press enter. Scroll down, download Rufus 4.12 or whatever the latest one is when you're watching this video. Left click on that. It's a fairly quick download. Left click on Rufus 4.12. Do you want to check for updates? We're going to say no because we just downloaded it. So I've got my USB stick plugged in. You can see it's a 32 gig stick. The next step is to locate your ISO image. So click on select. Click on downloads. You should see Linux Mint in your downloads. Double click. It'll automatically set these for you, these options. It auto names it for you. You can change this if you want to. It sets it up ready. So before you press start, just be aware of anything on your USB stick will be wiped out. So if you've got anything on there, back it up before you do this. Click on start. Click OK. Say yes. It gives you a final warning that all files on the USB stick will be wiped. This doesn't affect your Windows. It's creating the stick. Okay, this is now finished. So what we do now is click close. Now before we close this website down, you need to find your boot key. If you just restart the computer, it will just ignore the USB stick. So you need to know your boot key. For example, for Dell boot key, Windows 11, it says it's F12. Again, just swap out the manufacturer for yours. The Sony ones is F10 or F11. So again, once you restart the computer, keep continually pressing these keys, the one that matches yours. So let's close this website and reboot. So close that down, click on start, click on the power, click on restart. As soon as the screen goes off, start pressing the boot key. You may not get it first time. If it goes back to Windows, just restart again. Mine's F12. So I'm going to come down here, use arrow keys on my keyboard, find a legacy USB stick. I'm going to press enter. There we go. We're booting into Linux Mint. Again, our Windows is not affected. This is just purely running off the USB drive. So I'm going to press enter again. And we're booting into Linux Mint. Takes a few minutes to boot up. I'll speed this up for you. And there you are, you're on the Linux Mint desktop. So you can come down here. It's a little bit small for you. Let me fix that for you. Right click and go to display settings. I'm going to turn down the screen resolution just so you can see what I'm doing. Click apply. There we go. If we just close this. As you can see, it looks like Windows. You've got a start menu. Your internet, office, sound and video, preferences, folders as well. You got your desktop documents, downloads. It looks very much like Windows. So if you want to go back to your Windows setup, all you got to do is click on start. Click on the power icon. Press restart. I'm going to restart mine. And I'm going to disconnect the USB stick. And now my PC should boot up normally back into Windows. There's our boot screens. And there's our Windows. If you decide you want Linux permanently, that's a separate step. Comment how to install it handy. Also check out the video on screen that's coming up next. It shows you more about different versions of Linux, including Zorin. I'll see you in the next one.